Welcome to the Currency Shop's weekly update on the Australian dollar. The Aussie had a pretty rough week last week, spending a couple of days below 75 US cents, which is the lowest it's been in 2018. With that in mind, let's have a look at what the Australian dollar US dollar exchange rate looked like over the whole of last week. Now, let's have a look at what the exchange rates are between the Australian dollar and other major currencies. As always, we'll show you the average bank rates being offered when transferring money overseas or exchanging currency. Finally, let's look at the percentage difference between these. This is what gives you an idea of whether the rate you're being offered is good or bad. So we now know what the Australian dollar has done over the weekend and last week, but let's see how it's changed over the last year. When we look at it like this, we're able to see how it's performing more clearly. The final thing we'll do is have a look at what the major banks are forecasting for the Australian dollar by the middle of this year. Generally, the banks are forecasting the Aussie to either go up or stay about the same against other major currencies. NAB forecasts the Aussie to go down only against the yen. If you need more information about the Australian dollar, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss any of our weekly updates. And if you'd like anything extra included in these videos, just leave it in the comments below. If you do need to compare exchange rates for international money transfers or currency exchange, you can head to thecurrencyshop.com.au. Have a great week.